Welcome! This is a video tutorial for SSH Tunneling. This will allow you to access your Raspberry Pi's core data in order to properly run the Qortal user interface on a remote host. Since all you need is a terminal and the Qortal user interface itself, this tutorial will apply for Windows, Mac, and Linux users. Begin with opening the terminal. We only need to type one command. Type SSH-L12391 localhost 12391 hi at Titan, or the IP address of your device. Type yes, then press enter. Then type the password. The password is dmax911e. Note, it will be hidden when typing. After you enter the password, press enter. Congratulations, you've successfully SSH tunneled. You now have full access to the Qortal user interface. Go to Qortal.org/downloads. Download the Qortal UI according to your operating system. Now, open the user interface. That's all, folks.